Welcome to the Mera News Analysis Report. Shadow of Narada-sting case over West Bengal. CBI versus TMC versus High Court. The tussle between state government led by Trinamool and central government led by BJP continues after the Bengal election concluded with a clear victory for TMC. It has spilled into the Narada-sting case. How the story developed? Through the weeks, West Bengal saw a surge in the cases of COVID amid the second wave, which has spread across the country. The Trinamool and BJP blame the rallies organized by other parties as the cause of the rise in cases. In a parallel development, the hornet's nest of the Narada case was stirred up by the governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar. On May 9th, Raj Bhavan in Kolkata said in a statement that the governor had accorded prosecution sanction to the CBI against three TMC MLAs Madan Mitra, Subrata Mukherjee and Firhad Hakim and former party leader Sovan Chatterjee. This statement authorized the agency to file the charge sheet against the four. That led to arrest of the four TMC leaders by CBI. Following that, Mamata Banerjee had written to the president asking to change the governor in the interest of good governance in the state. The arrests also led to huge protests where many political workers came out on the streets of Kolkata, ignoring the social distancing norms. The controversy began because the governor used the friction between the centre and the state to initiate prosecution in Narada case by giving his consent. Under normal constitutional procedure, the consent would have come from the Speaker of the Assembly. In this context, a 2013 judgment by Supreme Court becomes important to reflect upon. In a case involving two former Prime Ministers in MP government, Supreme Court in 2013 had given a rider of government control over initiation of prosecution by governor. Articles in Part 6 of Indian Constitution deal with the provisions of state government. Among these, Article 163(2) is important for the discretionary power of governor, which might have been invoked by Governor Dhankar. After the arrests of the TMC leaders, CBI court saw a gathering of 2,000 TMC supporters in front of its Kolkata office. The crowd had sent social distancing norms for a toss. Caught off guard, the CBI court granted bail to the arrested leaders. This reaction of the CBI court reminds of the 2013 observation by Supreme Court in a coal scam case. Supreme Court had then called CBI a caged parrot. On May 18th, State Minister Subrata Mukherjee, TMC MLA Madan Mitra and another leader Sovan Chatterjee, who were arrested by CBI, were admitted to hospital in Kolkata after they complained of uneasiness. In hospital, Kolkata police were deployed, which added to the political melodrama. The Calcutta High Court has stayed the bail guaranteed by CBI court and has ordered that the leaders should be kept in judicial custody. The High Court had also criticized the dharna carried out by Mamata Banerjee in front of the CBI office early on Tuesday. After all the developments, Calcutta High Court bench headed by Chief Justice Rajesh Bindal would be hearing a plea filed by TMC seeking a repeal of Monday's order on stay of the bail. CBI is also set to move the Supreme Court as TMC would be moving the Apex Court challenging the High Court's order.